Today we're going to cook. What are we gonna cook?
We're going to cook something special. This morning, we got crabs, live crabs, from the market. So we're gonna cook crabs, mussels, squid, and shrimp all in one dish.
All in one dish? Well, I think you mean all in one spicy dish.
Yes, it's called spicy seafood. So if you want to know how to cook it, come on!
Let's go! And there we have it. We have already cooked the spicy seafood.
If you like this video, please hit the like button.
And also subscribe to our channel by subscribing by hitting the subscribe button and also by ringing the notification bell. Oh, so you won't miss any videos. This is my dad
And this is my son, Bob.
saying
Happy weekend! If you want to know how to cook crabs, shrimp, mussels, and squid all in one dish, watch.
Remember that all those seafoods are going to be drenched in a spicy sauce for us to eat. Blackout. Sorry guys.